Darko Jorgic equipment and playing style. Darko Jorgic, born July 30, 1998, in EmRatThich, Slovenia, is a Slovenian table tennis player who competes internationally. He represents his country at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, which will take place in 2020. He is considered one of the best backhand players in table tennis. Recently, he is the European champion in 2022 Europe Top 16. Tibhar-sponsored player. Darko Jorgic is a Tibhar-sponsored player. His equipment is provided by Tibhar Table Tennis. Darko Jorgic equipment. Darko Jorgic is using the Tibhar equipment. His blade is Tibhar Dynamic JS. Forehand rubber, Tibhar MXP. Backhand rubber, Tibhar MXP. In 2021, Darko Jorgic was using a butterfly blade. He was using the T-Mobile ALC blade. Good performance at Tokyo Olympics. As part of the Tokyo Olympics men's singles qualifying tournament, Jorgic defeated Liam Pitchford in a close 4-2 match. The final 4 games were all decided by 2 points, in the round of 32. Jorgic pulled off the biggest upset of the tournament when he defeated Tomokazu Harimoto in the round of 16 to advance to the quarter-finals of the tournament. Playing style. A distinctive feature of Jorgic's serve is that he prefers to deliver it with his backhand from the far forehand corner. Using this strategy, he can give wide angles to his opponent's short forehand while setting up his powerful backhand for the third ball. Best backhand player. Darko Jorgic is considered one of the best backhand players in table tennis. His backhand shot is very powerful. He also used some variations of backhand serve. Champion at Europe's Top 16. Recently, he defeated Truls Morgaard in the final to claim the champion of Europe Top 16, 2022. Darko Jorgic of Slovenia and Han Ing of Germany won gold medals in the 2022 CCB Europe Top 16 Cup men's and women's events, respectively, after thrilling finals. The battles in Montreux had come to a fantastic conclusion. Darko Jorgic came back from a 3-1 deficit in the semi-finals to defeat Truls Morgaard of Sweden, who had just defeated T-Mobile a few hours before. For his service and first strokes, I couldn't find the game. It took a long time for me to get my forehand deep enough to push him, Jorgic explained. Darko Jorgic is making his third appearance and second final, 2020, while Morgaard is competing for the first time. A substitute player competed in the 2021 World Championships final. Ohe is ranked number 7 in Europe, but he was up against 2 Swedish countrymen and only got his chance when Matthias Falk had to withdraw. Jorgic is the first Slovenian to take first place in this competition. Since the two players have only been together for 43 years, he won the youngest final in the history of the Top 12/Top 16. Truls Morgaard is the youngest finalist in the history of the competition. Jan of Waldner, 18, the youngest finalist in 1984, was also the youngest winner. Jørgen Persson, 19, who was coaching Truls Morgaard at the time, was the second youngest winner in 1986. Darko Jorgic career. Darko Jorgic visits his parents' house in Trbalia, a town of 15,000 people in central Slovenia, as we speak. That's where he grew up, and it's where he began playing table tennis with his friend Nathan who was the same age as him, shortly before his 5th birthday. His parents were both former top players in old Yugoslavia and TT coaches. Darko's talent was recognized by his father and coach, Jos who quit basketball, the sport of his older brother and mother, after winning a medal in his first tournament, while his father played soccer. At first, I trained 4 nights a week and competed frequently on weekends. I've been playing almost every day since I was about 12 years old. I trained twice a day when I was 15 and left home to attend high school and live at the National Training Center in Novo Mesto, in the southeast. Darko won 10 medals in total at the European Championships for U15, U18, and U21 in singles, doubles, mixed doubles, and team. Darko went abroad after graduating from high school. He first went to Carrara in Italy, where he stayed for a year, then to Bad Königshofen in Bavaria, and finally to Saarland, where he will stay for at least another 2 years with FC Saarbrücken. Possibly even longer. Jorgic has climbed to 27th place in the world rankings so far. He is the world's number 4 at his age, having been born in 1998 or later. He is only ahead of Haramoto, Lin Yunju, and Wang Chuqin. When asked how he went from the top 200 in 2016, to the top 100 in 2017, and the top 50 in 2019, to the top 30, he cites a lot of training on the one hand, but also the importance of staying clean and training smart on the other. He said, "You must understand precisely what you need to improve and how to get there. Another crucial consideration is the importance of being in the right place at the right time in order to develop appropriately.